Hello guys, welcome back to Vipra Gaming. In this episode, we are going to continue the mirror challenge. So we have got 5 wins, the progress is good and let's continue it. Okay, the deck is good actually. Played with these cards a few times. Lumberjack and the Bandit obviously, I've played with it. Bandit the newest card to our card collection. So we played it in an episode, I remember. Fire Spirit in the middle, it's always good. He's mirrored the Fire Spirit. He has 2 Fire Spirits now. Okay, Battle Ram, come on. Royal Delivery. Send the Royal Delivery, but the Battle Ram does the big job. Yes, okay. Let's just wait for the Elixir bar to be full. Yes. And a Royal Giant. Okay, the Bandit is swift, so they have made a good... Oh, that's the advantage, isn't it? The Bandit just 3 Elixir. Always. Oh no. I wasted a lot of Elixir over there. So the Lumberjack doing what it does awesomely. Or very good. Yes, Battle Ram again. Come on, don't dash. Oh, yes. Didn't dash actually. But the Barbarian's damage is quite good, so yeah, that's the problem. Okay, Royal Delivery. It doesn't come quick, that's the problem. We've lost the tower because of that. And the Royal Giant now. Okay, the Royal Giant doing a very good job actually. 424 HP left is quite good actually. Yes, let's go for the Battle Ram. Oh, he's mirrored it. Oh my god, I think we are going to be dashed twice. Yes. We get the tower, but we lose the tower as well, so... Oops, again another Battle Ram. Oh my god. And it's going to dash, not going well. Battle Ram has been the card of the match. Most used, I think. So we have mirrored the Lumberjack, level 10, it's raged. So it's all good, but he's defended it really well actually. And the Battle Ram is raged, but no use, we are going to lose this game. He's not allowed it to dash as well, so he's defended really well. All these decks are defensive, so if your defense is good, most probably you'll win the game. So our defense was not as good as his, so he had to lose the game. Okay, so we have to wait for those epic wildcards, which I badly want. But the most important reward for me is the legendary wildcard, because you know our Electro Wizard. We have already 2 cards of the Electro Wizard. We need 2 more, and the legendary wildcard is going to help with 1. I think 3, sorry. I think we have 3 Electro Wizard cards. I'm not sure, but the legendary wildcards are going to help. He's mirrored the Night Witch. Even we have mirrored the Night Witch. Whose mirror works? His. Okay. But the Night Witch is not that tough to defend. Let's go for Royal Hawks. It's just for the Night Witch to be going behind. Yes, behind it. Yes. The Royal Hawks doing a good job actually. They have done a lot of damage. Okay, now one Night Witch would be good. Yes. It's the Magic Archer. Shoots from long, so that's the only problem. The Heal Spirit worked over here. The amount of healing it does is really amazing. Okay, he's mirrored Night Witch. Come on, Skeleton Barrel. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. But not much damage done. The bats avoiding it. And the zap as well. Oh, I think I didn't position the Magic Archer well enough. I think the Heal Spirit is not going to work for him on this occasion, because the Magic Archer itself has less HP. There you go. He just wasted Elixir and also wasted the Hail Spirit. He could have used it on another card, but he used it on a low HP card. Okay, we are doing good here. We are playing really well. We are defending well, I'll say. Okay, Royal Oaks. Should we mirror them? No, we have to defend his Royal Oaks. But look at those. The Magic Archer can't do much actually, I feel. Oopsie. Yes, we have done a lot of damage on both the Crown Towers, but he has done more damage. So, yes, that's a great attack there. 2 Night Witches and Ice Wizard and Magic Archer. That's not bad. Yes, we are going to get the tower, I think. Will Magic Archer's very long arrow help? Yes, I think it will. Come on, one more. Oh. Oopsie. Zap, yes, come on. We had a zap. I didn't notice that. Yes. We won it. Or if the Royal Ox does some magic, we'll tie it. Oh, yes, we'll tie it. I thought we'll win it off. And he's mirrored them. Oh my god. Okay, the King Tower is not important over here because we have done a lot of damage to his Princess Tower and that's where we have to aim. Yes, Skeleton's doing a good job actually. Yes, Magic Archer should help over here again. Its help is very much required. Oh, almost. Oh my god, the Zap's damage is quite less, but the Magic Archer, as I said, wins the game. And the next reward for us, epic wild cards. We need it because the goblin, just for the Goblin Barrel. Yes, 5 of them, not 1 luckily. And the next reward is gold, so we need that as well. Yes, 5 wild cards to the Goblin Barrel. What a great card actually. But it's going to take a long time to max it out because we have to collect 200 cards of those, and the epic book of books, epic book of cards, it's going to take a long time to get it. Until and unless we get it in the shop. I think we are not going to get it in the shop. Okay, now this is a good attack actually, but the Mega Knight disrupts it. I think the Wizard can't do much. Yes. Oh my god, the Mega Knight is healed. Now we don't have any card which can... Oh no, we have used 2 logs. I think we did a mistake, but yeah, we have to play quick. And the Royal Giant as well. Our Princess Tower is raised, but yeah, he's going to get a tower, I think. Lumberjack is quick, but just 52 HP left. That's, I think he's going to use a spell. Oh, he's trying to attack in the other tower now. Not a bad idea. I love doing that. Yes, the Skeleton Barrel is defeated in the middle of the arena, which is always good. Oh no, the Mega Knight, the spawn damage is so much. Sail Spirit doesn't work. I thought the Royal Giant has enough HP, but it doesn't help. That attack is too strong. We can't do anything. Yes, we lose another tower because just 52 HP left. He has a log. Both of us have a log. So he's just going to log it and get another tower. And so we have to get 2 towers. 1 tower is not going to help. So we need to attack both the sides. Yes, I've sent a double heal spirit, but doesn't help. Okay, there you go. He's got 2 towers now. So I think it's tough for us to get 2 towers in just 30 seconds. Yes, we lose the last tower just because of the Lumberjack. It's a great card. Yes, one more loss. We have 1 more loss to go. If we lose another, we have to continue free with the Pass Royal. Okay, Golem and a P.E.K.K.A. That's a deadly combination, but it takes a lot of elixir. It takes 15 elixir. So that's a lot. Yes, now to send a P.E.K.K.A. it's going to take a long time. That's why some cards being slow speed helps. Okay, the Golem again. Now whenever opponent has a Golem, your defense has to be good, or else you can't win the game according to me. Definitely. If your defense is weak, it's fragile, I think it's highly impossible to win. So we are sending the same cards. That's strange. But the Golem's HP. So we are defending the Golem better than him because we have two cards for to defend the Golem, and now he sends his second card to defend our Golem, but it's done a lot of damage. Two wizards and a P.E.K.K.A. and obviously we win. Okay, good. The wall breakers and he's mirrored it. A giant snowball. Okay. Doesn't do a lot of damage. He played well there. Okay. Now let's just send the Golem from the back. I think he's going to send the giant snowball. We don't have the mirror, or else we could have mirrored the wall breakers. It would have been. Okay, let's just try it though. Let's just try. Yes, there you go. All these cards are too good against the wall breakers. Okay, now how does he defend the P.E.K.K.A? With his P.E.K.K.A. Okay. But because of the Electro Wizard, I think our P.E.K.K.A is going to win, or is it something else? No. His wins. His P.E.K.K.A. Okay, no problem. Now this is where we have to be a little bit more cautionful. The wall breakers. Yes, we have defended it well actually. Yes, we get both the wall breakers on his towers, on his crown tower. Let's go for the wizard. Deals area damage, that's good always. I think he's going to get a tower. I think we may just lose this. Yes, we lose this. One more loss. One more loss. Full of wall breakers now, but already he's won the game. Okay. We have to play another now, and the next reward is gold. Oh, we have to continue free. Okay. Yes, next reward is gold. So I think it's around 4,000. Yes. Good cards. And again the Golem. So it's going to be another good match, I think. Electro Dragon. This deck has a lot of troops which attack air, so helps. Yes, it's going well. But according to me, the Rascal Girls are more, I think, more required than the Rascal Boy, because they come in two. And one Rascal Girl has the attack of Rascal Boy. So I think the Rascal Girls. Oh yes, that's exactly what I meant. Now the Rascal Girls are gone and we can defend the Rascal Boy easily. And its speed is also less, so one more advantage. Yep, good defense. And now the Hog Rider. Okay. So he's not defended the Hog Rider well, no matter what he sends now, because it's done a lot of damage, and the Electro Dragon looks like we are going to get a tower. If we send a log, we are going to, but let's just defend. I don't want to lose a tower. Okay, yes, we have defended well. Just now, let's just now. Okay, let's go for the Bandit, because I don't want the Electro Dragon to come near my tower. Okay. The Bandit's going to dash, that's for sure, yes. And another thing I wondered in this mirror challenge, we have not got an Electro Giant in the deck yet. It's a great card, I don't know why it's not in our decks. Yes, even if the operator is gone, we are going to get a tower just like that. The Great Log does it. And now finally the first golem in this match. Yeah, let me just mirror the rascals. I want those rascal girls more than the boy, as I said earlier. Yes, all now depends on the golem for him. The golem doesn't do well, he's going to lose the match. I think it's not going to do well because we are defending very well. And I think we are going to get 4000 gold. Yes, of course. The golem now, it can't do anything. Speed is too slow. So yes, 4000 gold. And that's a lot. We need that badly. Yes. We are recovering. We are coming back with gold. The gold which we lost on upgrading the Mega Knight. But it was a great move actually, level 12 Mega Knight. So guys, we'll finish this episode for here. We'll see you in the next one. We'll continue the mirror challenge and hopefully we are going to finish it in the next episode. And if you like this episode, please like and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video.